Hello, my name is Stefan. In this video I will show you how to install the ADVANSAFIX eyesight in your car and buckle up your child correctly. You can get all the information you need in the user guide, which is located right here. When installing the seat in your car, you should start with the top tether. You can find it in the pouch. Just take it out and place it over your seat. That way you easily get to it in a minute. Then we pull out the ADVANSAFIX locking arms like this. Now you can click them into the ADVANSAFIX adapters. Always make sure that both the indicators jump to green. Now push the seat back so that it rests firmly against the vehicle seat. When the ADVANSAFIX is engaged, we can lock in the top tether in this anchorage point right here. Then we adjust the strap so that it's nice and firm. The green indicator will tell you when it is tight enough. As you can see, the seat is now securely installed. Now we engage the SICT system. To do this, just unscrew the SICT element until it reaches a position where the distance to the side of the car is as small as possible, but not touching. Let's get ready for our first passenger. When your child is in the seat, lower the headrest until the shoulder straps are level with or slightly above your child's shoulders. Now just pull this strap until the harness is fastened. Make sure that the chest pads are firm and in the correct position. If necessary, pull the strap a little tighter. Now let's also adjust the recline. Perfect. Now we are ready for the road.